Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to add music to Instagram post. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry as the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. And now, just go ahead and click the plus sign at the lower part of your screen and choose the post that you want to post, okay? So now just go ahead and click on next at the upper right corner of your screen. Again, click the next. And then here at the last page, you can see the add music section, right? So just go ahead and click on that. And now you can choose any music that you want. So now just go ahead and click on share. So now when you try to view your post on your profile, you can hear the music. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.